Hi, this is my homework. Exercise. Played, cleaned, snowed, closed, filled, stayed, brushed, laughed, pushed, watched, danced, walked, waited, painted, shouted, wanted, landed, departed. He combed his hair, didn't he? No, he didn't. He brushed teeth. He cried a lot, didn't he? No, he didn't. He laughed a lot. He painted a room, didn't he? No, he didn't. He cleaned it. He emptied his glass, didn't he? No, he didn't. He filled it. He closed the door, didn't he? No, he didn't. He opened it. He walked away, didn't he? No, he didn't. He waited a long time. He watched the TV, didn't he? No, he didn't. He watched it. He pulled his car, didn't he? No, he didn't. He pushed it. It departed at noon, didn't it? No, it didn't. It landed. He whispered it, didn't he? No, he didn't. He shouted it. He danced all night, didn't he? No, he didn't. He played cards. It rained all day, didn't it? No, it didn't. It snowed.